In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix Grammarly if it isn't opening on your Windows computer. This handy guide will walk you through several reliable fixes and explain some underlying causes so you'll fully grasp what might be happening in the background. Let's start by considering the simplest yet frequently effective solution. Sometimes, the issue can be attributed to a stuck process or a software conflict. A straightforward restart of your computer often clears that right up. This is because, when you reboot, the system refreshes all running processes, which are sometimes needed to sort out minor glitches. If a restart doesn't do the trick, the next step to contemplate is reinstalling Grammarly for Windows. To do this, head over to your settings, then go to Apps, followed by Installed Apps. Look for Grammarly for Windows or Grammarly Desktop in the list and uninstall it. Next, it's important to download the latest version from Grammarly's website to ensure you have the most up-to-date software. Once you've reinstalled it, open Grammarly and make sure to sign in again. Another potential fix involves Microsoft Edge WebView 2. Grammarly for Windows relies on WebView 2 to enable embedded web content within the app. If this component is missing or disabled, it could lead to the app not opening properly. You can download the WebView 2 runtime from Microsoft's website. It's recommended to run the installation as an administrator, if possible, and then give Grammarly another try to see if it opens successfully afterward. Network settings can also play a significant role in Grammarly's ability to operate correctly. It needs connectivity to its servers and utilizes WebSockets to function. If your network, firewall, VPN, or proxy settings block necessary domains or ports, the app might hang or not open. Essential domains to allow include Grammarly.com, .grammarly.io, and .grammarly.net on ports 80 and 443. To test if this is the root cause, you might consider temporarily disabling any VPN or firewall software to see if Grammarly opens. For more technical troubleshooting, consider repairing or updating the Microsoft .NET framework. Grammarly's Windows app may depend on these .NET components, and if they become corrupted, the app could freeze or fail to open. Microsoft offers a .NET framework repair tool you can download and execute. Alternatively, access your control panel, go to Programs, then turn Windows features on or off, and ensure necessary .NET versions are enabled. Restart your computer after making any changes. Lastly, if none of the above have worked, clearing Grammarly's local data folder could be the answer. Sometimes, corrupt cached files cause launch issues. To clear this, press Win+R, type in %appdata% Grammarly, and hit Enter. You'll want to delete, or alternatively rename, the Desktop Integrations folder or other folders and documents inside. Launch Grammarly again and sign in to see if this resolves the problem. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to having Grammarly up and running smoothly again. Thanks for watching and happy troubleshooting.